Come to Rapid Plus TCT because this is the place you're going to meet all of the vendors in every step of the value chain for metal additive manufacturing.
Rapid Plus TCT is all about the people. It's the connections, it's the networking.
Rapid is a great way to meet vendors that can solve your problems as well as customers that you can actually interact with.
With 3D printing, seeing is believing. You can watch a webinar, you can look at a website, you can look at printer specs and post-processing specs, but there's nothing like holding a part in your hand or seeing a printer in action.
See the machines running, to talk to the manufacturers, to talk to actual users.